Hello everyone, welcome to Adi Trade. Today we're going to be seeing the Nifty and Banknifty levels for 31st Jan. Yesterday we did see some levels expecting some kind of an up move in the morning, but there was a gap down and some up move did come, and again there was a sell off. Each move was about 1000 points in Banknifty. This doesn't happen always. This is the budget is day after tomorrow. That's the reason we saw an up move of 1000 points. We saw a down move of 1300 points, and again an up move of 1000 points, I think. Yeah, so this volatility is going to continue. So basically the bank nifty in the day moved around 3000 points. So obviously as a trader you should not try to capture everything. If one move, either the down move or this up move, or this was pretty difficult to get with just one 15-minute candle, either this is down move or this up move, if you had captured, that is more than enough. Now the levels for tomorrow is, no doubt, the bank nifty looks like it's going to be bullish even tomorrow. That is, if we start trading above this level, right? If we break 40,800, the targets are 41,200 and possibly 41,650, and for all these levels, whatever is marked can be the target. This blue area is a gap. Possibly we can come closer to that gap and take some resistance here at about 41,650, or around in this gap area we can take some resistance. If we break out of that, yeah, these are the levels. And if you just see the, I would say just go ahead and use the CPR for trading. See, today beautifully we rejected the CPR, came down and again bounced back until the CPR, right? So tomorrow, in case we get a gap up and this level breaks, yeah, definitely, and probably later on in the day some intraday sell-off might come again before the budget. So definitely the move is on the upside, and we should be prepared for this type of a huge volatility again. So but these are the levels where, in case we break this high, 40,800, right? 40,000 almost. If we go above 40,800, that is today's high, these are the levels we will keep as a target. And on the downside, I'm not that keen that this low will break anytime soon, but if this low breaks, we could fill this gap here at 38,800 or take support at 39,160. So the bias is on the upside, but as we saw today, even though the first candle went up, we got some sell-off, 1,300 points. In case some sell-off comes again, these are the levels. The first target would be the day's low, obviously. I'll go ahead and mark that. And this would be the first target on the downside. Sorry. And this gap is also there in case we come down. But if we go up, all these levels marked will act as a good target on the upside. Now the same with Nifty. Let's just look at Nifty levels. See, Nifty beautifully bounced from this gap boundary. Yesterday we had marked this gap area. We basically bounced nicely from this area. Now again in Nifty, if today's high breaks, we could test this level of 17,800. We could come to this zone of 17,940. And in case we reverse from here again, right, from the previous day high, or from this level of 17,783, if we reverse, the targets on the downside would be the first level. We could expect some support over here, 17,560, and then this gap area itself. Our bias is on the upside, so we should see some good targets on the upside tomorrow, because see, the logic behind it is, first, a lot of shorts would want to cover their position before the budget, because nobody would want to go with any kind of a huge long position or a huge short position. So if they do cover the short, some kind of intraday rally will come, and that if the shorts will get covered, all the shorts, whatever is there in the system, could possibly get covered, as the further down move didn't come today. That could trigger if we trade above the previous day high. So just important to see if we trade above the previous day high, and all these levels can act as a good resistance along with our regular CPR levels where you have R1, R2 levels. So let's see how it goes and hope we can make some money tomorrow as well.